YouTube in the building. I hope you guys are doing well. And if you were looking up how to grow your YouTube channel organically, which we'll be going over in just a few moments, I just want to let you know, congratulations, you're in the right place. Watch to the end of the video so I can show you the best secret on how you can do just that. This is also video 6 in my secret playlist on how to grow your YouTube channel. I'm Ricardo Rodriguez and welcome to Tube Great. Subscribe to Tube Great if you're looking how to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. Check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below if you want to learn how to make money with YouTube without even showing your face. Secret number 1, now to truly grow and grow organically on this platform, you really have to learn how to be yourself, right? Know who you are as a person, as a creator, and who you are, your identity, right? You have to give the viewer a reason to come to you and just you, right? You have to showcase your personality, in whichever way you can. If you're the funny dude in the classroom always cracking jokes, then you're the funny dude cracking jokes. If you're more of the serious dude, but you got like a dark sense of humor, that's your angle, really refine and enhance that in your videos. Let's just say you're just a really great storyteller, incorporate that within your YouTube content. But win the viewer over by showing out your personality, whether that's just you being in front of the camera or knowing how to showcase your personality in just the different type of content you deliver, whether that's in, an investing niche, in your makeup niche, in your, car niche, whatever the case may be for your channel. But think about it like this. You are the star of your own channel, right? So when you show up to create videos, you gotta pretend like people are paying you to make this content, right? Imagine Michael Jordan, he's slam dunking on everybody else, on Charles Barkley, on Karl Malone, and he feels great because why? Because he knows who he is as a person. He's showcasing who he is to the rest of the world, and everyone loves him for that. And if you really think about it, you are your own superpower. The fact that you're a one-of-one, you are a unique person yourself. You really have to just grow out of your shell so you can uncover your unlocked potential. So literally tap into what makes you the person you are and exploit that in your content. So I want to give you guys just a great example that'll go along with the information I'm giving you. You really are a superhero, right? You have superpowers, whether that's you're the funny person, you have good charm, you know how to really tap into someone's spiritual abilities. Now maybe you can't fly like Superman or you can't run like the Flash, but you see how those unique attributes make them unique and make them the superhero that they are. You have to learn how to find what makes you unique and really exploit that in your content. So you really have the superpower to give off that same impact. Comment down below, what is your superpower? Secret number 2. Now I've been rambling about showcasing your personality, really show off who you are as a person, but you have to understand it's not about you. You have to understand that it's about the audience you're reaching out to. You have to identify that target viewer. What is that target viewer? What do they look like? What is their age? What are the things that they're into, right? What makes them excited? What makes them laugh? What makes them sad? It doesn't really make sense if you're making all this great content and if it's only great content to you. You want to make sure it's great content for them so that they could keep watching, they could keep viewing, subscribing, making comments, and that helps you and your channel grow. So really learn how to take a step back, really know who your target audience is, what kind of content do they really want to watch, and showcase your personality to show them that content onto the next level. Take a viewer perspective when you're making your content. So I really want to give you guys another great example to go along with the content I'm giving you. Imagine yourself, you're on your way to see Chris Tucker, in his comedy show. If you don't know who Chris Tucker is, he's a comedian. He gives out funny jokes in front of large audiences. People pay to see this guy walk on stage for an hour and he's giving off this, funny jokes. So you have to think in the back of your head, why did all these people go out of their way, on their day off, spend all this money to go see this guy talk, right? He's really just talking on stage. But the reason why people came and showed up, because he has a great way with words. He knows how to make people laugh. That's his superpower. He exploited that within his content. He's not only just telling stories, he's not only just talking to the audience, but he's helping them, he's touching their lives, he's making them laugh, and he's making them, have that 1 hour that he's spending with them. He's taking the most value, he's really touching into their hearts and really making them laugh. That's what the people came to see. So when you keep that in keep that in mind when you're making your content. Like this video so far if you're enjoying the content. And if you made it up to this point in the video, I just want to say congratulations and I thank you. So I'm going to reward you with the third and most best secret. Just because you hear all these characters like Kevin Hart, you hear these characters like Chris Tucker or Adam Sandler, right? These are all comedians, all funny dudes. I'm advising you, don't be like them, right? Be yourself. Because when you try to replicate someone else's style, you jacking their style, you don't want to come off like that. You just really want to showcase who you really are, because you are a one of one. You just have to tap into who you are. But when you come off, trying to act like somebody else, you're trying to stunt all this fake stuff, you're really showing your true colors, that you're not being yourself, you're a wannabe, or you're a fake personality. So learn how to be yourself, and I promise you an audience will attract towards you as long as you're being genuine. In this example, I'll showcase, I'm the living proof of this. Growing up, I was that skinny kid who kept to himself. He was really shy. I wasn't really too open into talking to just anybody. I would often sit by myself at lunch or, in the back of the class. But the older I got, I really just learned how to come out of my cocoon, right? I blossomed into this butterfly. I learned to become more social, learn how to relate to more people. And I really tapped into who am I as a person and how can I, be the best version of myself. So after that, I really got comfortable with just being around people. And when I first started off YouTube, I really wasn't the most comfortable with being in front of the camera. But I learned how to just really press the record button. That's all it really takes, taking action and pressing record, starting my first video. And really just talking naturally, talking how I usually talk in front of my friends and just trying to be myself. So as long as you're practicing that, you're smiling and you're engaging with that camera, you're really learning how to become yourself and you're more comfortable with the camera. I was uncomfortable the first few days, but the more I practiced and the more I just, exploited my personality into the content I'm giving out, it became more natural and now I'm used to it and I take pride in, the content I'm putting out. I take pride in being in front of the camera now. So I know you can do the exact same thing. Really learn how to grow out of your cocoon and blossom into the butterfly you really are. That's all I have for you guys. Watch this video for part 7 of more secrets on how to grow your YouTube channel. If you enjoy the content, subscribe to Tube Great and check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, linked in the description below. If you want to learn how to make money with YouTube without even showing your face, peace out.